Okay, for our group project, what we decided to do is a game of Simon Says. So what we did was we got this cool shield right here, which has 4 directions on the analog stick and 4 buttons. There's a reset switch on it as well. We used an Arduino Uno for this because the shield nicely fit over the top. And we used Arduino Teensy as the, I guess, master of the project that handled most of the processing. We had it up in this configuration. For our Simon Says, we basically had these 4 LEDs describe direction, and these 4 LEDs describe color. We also programmed our game, or are supposed to program our game, to have functionality for combinations, so a direction and a button as a valid input. So if we have the basics done of our project, and so when you run the actual program, the LCD will say, press any button. Sorry, I should probably make that stay. But so if you press any button here, it will go ahead and proceed to the next level. It says now on level 1, get ready. It'll display 1 LED, which is the first move. So if I go ahead and press the LED, it'll move on. It tells you so, and it instantly begins to display. I need to increase the delay on that, but it displays the next move, which in this case just happens to be 3 of the same button. So if I go ahead and do 3 of those, I went ahead and moved on again. So it's going to play the next move. Okay, so we have some off by 1 errors where we're not moving on to the next level as much as we're supposed to, but that's not really a hardware related issue. It's more of a code related issue that we are working on. I had a problem where I was trying to do recursion and it was not working as well as I would hope, but that's a general idea. We can try that again. Sometimes it works better than other times. The way we wanted our actual I guess the amount of moves to play, how we wanted to organize that was using the Fibonacci sequence. So in theory, the first demand by Simon will be 1, the next one will be 2, the following will be 3, and then 5, and so on and so forth, up to 13. But like I said, we're having some issues with getting the actual next sub-level to work correctly. So if I play this one, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, instead of moving on to the next index, it's going to jump, I guess, 2 steps ahead. So now instead of asking for 2, it's asking for 3. So if I go ahead and play that, it says yes. And now I bet you it's going to play like 13 or something. But once again, we're working out this code issue, and it'll probably be done by the time code submission is due. And yeah, I guess that's it.